The Honda EN series represents Honda's bold step into the future of mobility, an all-electric lineup that combines cutting-edge technology, modern design, and sustainable performance. Built with advanced battery systems, intelligent connectivity, and Honda's signature driving dynamics, the EN cars are crafted to deliver smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly journeys. The Honda EN1 is Honda's first production battery electric vehicle, BEV, built in Thailand. This marks a significant move, as Honda is the first Japanese automaker to produce a fully electric vehicle in Thailand.